Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're gonna go through the Towny app. This is a cool little app that I've kind of discovered when we first got out here to West Texas. So we were kind of going around to some of these local stores, and you'd see these little Towny stickers or business cards, and it was just a way that kind of helps promote small business. And I thought that was a really cool idea. So we'll kind of show you guys what this is. It's kind of a deal site. So obviously you can see what deals are going on around me. You can obviously change your map. You could search for particular deals. But it's just a great little thing that kind of helps, like I said, small business, some bigger business, obviously, Firehouse subs, stuff like that, free sandwiches. You can get all kinds of free goofy stuff with this. So let's just say you wanted to go to Aspen Creek Grill, and you can see the two deals that they've got. Free appetizer with purchase of an entree. Expires in February. Like, that's pretty cool. And then they've just got a little way that they're trying to advertise 10 delicious entrees. So again, that's really cool. You come up here and you can call them, hit the menu, go to their website. You can see all kinds of the stuff, and you can of course save that deal if you want to come back to it later. Some other things that let's just say you want to go to I don't know. Let's say Firehouse subs. Let's just say. Of course, they don't have any deals, so of course these come and go every once in a while. You can hit favorite if you want to come back and check for later. But let's just keep going. Let's say you want to go to Blue Sky. That's a pretty cool burger place that we have out here. So you can see, let's see, kids eat for 99 cents. So on Tuesday, you can see a Monday deal. You can see they've got a happy hour. Just a really cool app, and you can see whatever it has to offer in your city where you're at. But just look at all these. Again, most of them are very small, local places, but obviously there's bigger ones as well. But it's just a way to, I don't know, if you want a free appetizer, you're typically not going to get a whole lot out of it, but we've got some free coffee or some free appetizers, like you see. And anyway, they've got a thing that you could link a card to and get extra cash back. I've not done any of that, and you can see I've got my save deals over here. I used to have a lot more, but they constantly filter through uh, businesses, and again, focusing on the local business side, I can see where some come a lot and then decide to leave if it's just not working. I'm not sure what it costs, but anyway, you can see we're just kind of going through the deal spot, and you can see just all the deals. If you actually, instead of wanting to go through the actual company, you could actually see what 20% off wine. So instead of actually going to look at the Wine Nest's app or sales, you could actually come in here and just you actually would have found that like that. So anyway, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna save that one for later. There we go, saved. Anyway, and of course you can view the business, see when it expires. Of course, this one has a free appetizer, so if you want to go there for that, you can. Or you could sit there and hit use now. Of course, you want to use it. I'm imagining as soon as you use it, it does try to take it away from the app. But again, the coolest thing is just you use this and see what you have in your city and see if you can utilize anything. Again, these aren't killer deals, but it's definitely something that's a nice little bonus if you go out and, like I said, either get a free appetizer, get $5 off, whatever it may be. That's all for me. Save $5 when you're gonna do it anyway. That's one thing I really like showing you guys in some of these videos is actually things that we were doing anyway that you got free money back on. So if you like this video, of course, this is the Towny app, Towny. You go check out my other videos on Shopkicks or Ebates. Those are my two other big ones that I use, and I just literally get free money for doing something I was already going to do or buy. And they're really cool apps. So go check those out if you're into deals like me. And I hope you guys like this video. Come back and check my other ones in the future, my past ones. I do a video a day for a year, showing you guys the YouTube process. Can we hit the 1,000 subscriber threshold? Can we hit the 4,000 watch hour threshold? These are extremely high ones set by YouTube, but one nonetheless that they've restricted us newcomers to YouTube to really focus on. So hope you guys like this video. Come back and check the other ones. Please hit that subscribe button if you like it, and comment, like, subscribe down below, and I'll definitely talk with you guys if you guys got any questions or anything along the way. So anyway, hope you guys liked it. See you in the next one. See you guys.